Namaskar, my name is Sachin. Today I'm going to introduce to you Core Essentials Kit. This is the box which comes fully self-contained, in which you're going to find a bunch of literature. Please don't be scared, this is all there to help you. The literature is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously it comes with the greetings and the contact information about us. Along with that, the most important part of this literature is the list of ingredients and the calendar. This calendar is there to guide you so that you don't get confused. This is also that you can just walk through the kit and how to use part. This kit, where it's different from Wellness Essential, is it comes with ailment care. So these are all the common ailments that you may be suffering from, and allows you to use this kit to cure one of those things. It's fully self-contained, all the ingredients, spoons, measuring spoons, so that you can mix it. So here you go guys, good luck with the kit, and please don't be scared of it. Just try and start using it and let it flow through your life.